Hi everybody, welcome to the Relation Rouge Man channel. Today, we want to talk about the best ways a girl gets interested in you. Make sure to watch until the end, because it's one of the most amazing hacks you have ever seen. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos and much more. Men and women do not think along the same lines, especially during the wooing game. Find out how to think like a woman and get the girl to like you. Before you try anything, you need to get to know the girl, her likes and dislikes, and the kind of guy she prefers. You need to learn who is the right guy and who is not. A girl is prone to show too much of her character and personality before she is sure of his. Before you meet her, learn more about her likes and dislikes. If she likes a guy with a bit of a wild side, do not act like your wild side is all that. Just be yourself, but with more social skills. Try to learn more about her likes and dislikes in advance so that you will not come across as a total stranger. If you don't want to make her feel uncomfortable, then learn how to act when you are with her. Showing that you're interested in her is a great way of getting her to like you and think about you. The only thing you need to do is to learn how to act when you are with her so that the feeling is mutual. You need to act like a gentleman but be yourself. Being interested and trying to make conversation is a good way to start. However, you need to keep a certain distance. Showing that you have eyes for her will get you nowhere. The best thing that you can do is show that you are interested. However, act as if you are being entertained. If she is your girlfriend, don't forget that she is a person and that she has feelings. Don't make her feel uncomfortable. Show a bit of interest, but make sure she knows that you are interested. Tell her about your day and make the conversation light. The best thing you can do is to not talk about her and try to make the conversation light to make the feeling between you mutual. As you are acting as if you are interested, be sure that you keep the conversation light. Don't mention her name, you don't want her to feel like you are treating her like a princess. If she has had a bad day or if there are issues with her job, then you should avoid bringing up her name and try to bring up the subject of her job. Keep the conversation light to avoid making her feel uncomfortable. If she has had a bad day, be sure that you don't talk about her and try to make the conversation light to avoid making her feel like a princess. Always make sure that you talk about a topic that she likes. The conversation should be lighthearted and fun. If she has had a good day, then you should talk about your day, but if you have a good day, talk about yours. The best thing you can do is to talk about her day and make the conversation light. Don't mention her name, but always make sure that you talk about her day and light the mood. As for the time when you have an event together, try to make it fun. Always make sure that you don't start to talk about problems that you are having at work or about the events that happened with your family. The best thing to do is to talk about things that she likes. Try to make it lighthearted and fun. If you do this, you can make her feel like she is special to you. If you do this, you can make her feel like you are interested in her. Always make sure that you keep the conversation light. Don't mention her name, but let her know that you have an interest in her. Try to make it enjoyable and make it light. Don't make the conversation heavy. Talk about fun things. As for the conversation that you have during a trip, talk about your memories. Always remember the best memories are the ones that are not heavy. For example, say you went on a cruise to the Caribbean and you spent the whole day together laughing and kissing. The best thing to do would be to leave it out of your trip. This would make the memories lighter and happier. Keep the memories of the moments you have together at light times. Always, keep the conversation light. You should know that you can make a girl feel like you are special to her. And make a girl feel like you are interested in her. The best thing to do is to put your focus on her. That means do not give up on your career and do not stop going to work. As for yourself, do not change. Always make sure you are honest and true. The best thing is to live your life to its fullest. We hope you enjoyed this video, and also we prepared a course with excellent content relevant to the relationship, that will guarantee your success, and we put the link in the description. If you like to prepare it, which we strongly recommend, you can use the link in the description below, to buy this great course and succeed in your relationship. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our video to support us, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss more videos. See you at the next video.